everyone, so today I'm gonna do a Lisa makeup tutorial from Blackpink. Also, sorry about my bangs, they're drying right now. I'm gonna prime my skin with Paula's Choice Skin Balancing Pore Reducing Toner. I've been using Paula's Choice for forever. It's a really nice brand, just everywhere. I'm gonna put sunscreen on. This is from COSRX. Their Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. And I'm just gonna apply that. I'm gonna put a different sunscreen under my eyes. This is from Etude House. It's their Sunprise Must Daily sunscreen. This one's more moisturizing. Dotted just a little bit. Yeah, I have really dry skin, so I need to put this on just so my under eyes aren't really bad. Okay, next. This is their Stretch Concealer in medium. But that's the old shade, so now it's G8. I'm just using my ring finger, placing that under my eyes, my nose, and my chin area. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of comments saying I look like her, so I figured, why not make a tutorial? This is a no foundation look, by the way. Anyways, I'm gonna spot conceal with It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. This is in their shade Neutral Medium. I'm going to conceal areas that didn't cover up the redness. Like that. And then I'm going to... Okay. This is Mercier's Translucent Powder. And I'm using a beauty blender to tap it in. So I'm placing the powder and then I'm pushing it in just to make sure that area is set. And I'm placing that wherever I put the concealer down. Except for the under eyes. For the under eyes, I'm only putting it on my creases because concealer always ends up in there. Next, let's move on to shadow. To the eyes, I mean. This is the Modern Renaissance palette from ABH. This was popular a while ago. I'm going to use the shade Burnt Orange with the fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. And then I'm also going to place it on the lower lash line. But I'm going to focus more of it on the outer third. I'm also going to focus this on the outer V of the lid. I'm going to do a winged liner. I'm going to use the Tarteist Pro To Go palette from Tarte. And then I'm going to use the darkest shade Stylin to create a winged line. So this is kind of the base for the gel liner I'm going to put down. So the gel liner I'm using is from Macqueen, New York, their waterproof pencil gel liner. It's in a dark brown shade, number 2. And I'm going to create a wing. I need a pencil sharpener for this. Too much. Oh my god, I'm gonna use this sparkly shade right here from Maybelline's Expert Wear palette in Sunlit Bronze to highlight my under eyes. I'm just placing that in the inner third and also in the inner corners. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm using this mascara that Jay gave to me. Thanks, Jay. Anyway, this is from Maybelline. It's the Colossal mascara. Waterproof. This one is in a black shade. For blush, I'm using this one from 3CE in the shade Rose Beige. I'm only going to apply a little bit because I don't think she wears much blush. I've only seen like a few pictures though, so I'm not sure. Just putting it all over this area. Finally, for the lips, I'm using the Velvet Lip Tint from 3CE in Daffodil. I curl my bangs too much. Oh my god. I'm only applying it to the bottom lip, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. My bangs are too long, so I'm gonna cut them right now. Trash bag under me, and then some scissors. Make sure it creates a triangle. This is not really a triangle, but that's where my bangs are now. Oh guys, I forgot to contour. Oh my gosh. I'm using this contour shade from Lisa Frank. Oh, just kidding. It was a collaboration with Glamour dolls. The shade is pretty decent. It's kind of warm, but it's not too warm, so I could still use it as a contour shade. And then I'm also gonna contour my nose. She has a higher nose bridge than mine, so I'm just gonna contour that. Make sure you start from the tip of your brow and then blend down. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I love you guys. Bye! I gotta go.